Handling returns and exchanges efficiently is crucial for customer satisfaction and operational effectiveness. In this section, we will discuss techniques for streamlining the return process, providing clear instructions and policies, and ensuring a smooth experience for customers. Clear return policies. Establishing clear and fair return policies is essential for managing customer expectations. We will discuss techniques for creating straightforward return policies that cover criteria such as timeframes, condition requirements, and refund options. By communicating clear return policies, you provide transparency and help customers understand the process. Define timeframes. Clearly define the timeframe within which customers can return a product. Specify the number of days or weeks from the date of purchase during which returns are accepted. Communicate this timeframe prominently on your website, in-store, or on product packaging to ensure customers are aware of the window for returns. Specify condition requirements. Clearly outline the condition requirements for returns. Specify that the product must be in its original packaging, undamaged, and in a resaleable condition. Clearly state any exceptions to this, such as for defective items or products with manufacturing faults. By specifying the condition requirements, you ensure that customers understand what is expected of them when returning a product. Clarify refund options. Clearly communicate the refund options available to customers. Specify whether refunds will be issued as cash, store credit, or original payment method. Outline any potential deductions such as restocking fees, shipping costs, or return shipping charges. By clarifying the refund options, customers can make informed decisions and understand the potential outcomes of their returns. Provide return instructions. Provide clear and concise instructions on how customers can initiate a return. Clearly state whether returns should be processed online, in-store, or through a designated return portal. Include step-by-step instructions, including any required documentation or forms that need to be included with the return. Make the return process as straightforward as possible for customers. Display return policy prominently. Display your return policy prominently on your website, in-store, and on purchase receipts. Make it easily accessible and visible to customers at all touchpoints. Include links or QR codes to your return policy on your website and include a summarized version on purchase receipts. This ensures that customers are aware of your return policy before making a purchase. Communicate exceptions. Clearly communicate any exceptions or special conditions that may apply to certain products or situations. For example, if certain items are non-returnable or if specific items have different return timeframes, clearly state these exceptions. By communicating exceptions upfront, you avoid confusion and ensure customers have accurate information. Train customer service representatives. Train your customer service representatives on the return policy and ensure they are knowledgeable about the process. Equip them with the information and resources necessary to handle return inquiries and guide customers through the return process. Consistent and accurate information from your customer service team helps build trust and confidence in your return policy. Monitor and evaluate. Regularly monitor and evaluate your return policy to identify any areas for improvement. Analyze return data, customer feedback, and customer service interactions to gain insights into potential pain points or opportunities for enhancement. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments and refine your return policy over time. Clear return policies are essential for building customer trust and confidence in your brand. By clearly communicating your return policy, you set expectations, minimize customer frustrations, and facilitate a smooth return process. A transparent and customer-centric return policy can help you build long-term customer relationships based on trust and satisfaction. Streamlining return procedures simplifies the process for customers and minimizes potential frustrations. We will explore techniques for providing customers with pre-printed return labels, offering convenient return options, and ensuring efficient processing and refund timelines. By streamlining return procedures, you demonstrate your commitment to customer convenience and satisfaction. Pre-printed return labels. Include pre-printed return labels with every order or provide customers with an easy way to access and print them from your website. This eliminates the need for customers to contact customer service or search for return labels, making the return process more convenient. Convenient return options. Offer multiple return options to cater to different customer preferences. This may include allowing returns through mail, drop-off at physical store locations, or partnering with local courier services for pickup. By providing convenient return options, customers can choose the method that suits them best. Easy-to-follow return instructions. Provide clear and concise return instructions that guide customers through the process step by step. Include all necessary information such as the return address, required documentation, and any specific packaging instructions. Ensure that the instructions are easily understandable even for customers who may not be familiar with the return process. Efficient processing and refund timelines. Establish efficient processing and refund timelines to ensure prompt resolution. Communicate the expected timeline for processing returns and issuing refunds to manage customer expectations. Strive to process returns and issue refunds as quickly as possible to minimize customer waiting time. Simplified return authorization. Simplify the return authorization process by minimizing unnecessary steps or requirements. If possible, allow customers to initiate returns online or through a self-service portal, eliminating the need for manual authorization. Make the return process as straightforward as possible to save customers time and effort. Automate return tracking and notifications. Implement an automated system to track return shipments and provide customers with real-time updates. This allows customers to monitor the progress of their return and provides transparency throughout the process. Automated notifications, such as email updates or SMS alerts, keep customers informed about the status of their return. Efficient return handling. Streamline the internal handling of returns to expedite the process. Designate a dedicated team or individual responsible for processing returns, ensuring that returns are handled promptly and efficiently. Implement efficient systems for inspecting, restocking, or processing returned products to minimize delays and errors. Regular process evaluation. Regularly evaluate the return process to identify any bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Analyze customer feedback, return data, and customer service interactions to gain insights into potential pain points. Continuously refine and optimize your return procedures to provide an even smoother experience for customers. Streamlining return procedures demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction and convenience. By providing pre-printed return labels, offering convenient return options, and ensuring efficient processing and refund timelines, you simplify the return process and minimize customer frustrations. A streamlined return experience contributes to a positive overall customer experience and fosters loyalty and satisfaction. Offering exchanges or alternatives when handling returns can enhance the customer experience. We will discuss techniques for providing options such as exchange for a different product, store credit, or assistance in finding a suitable alternative. By offering solutions beyond a simple return, you can increase the likelihood of customer satisfaction and future sales. Exchange for a different product. Offer customers the option to exchange their returned item for a different product within your inventory. This allows customers to find a suitable replacement that better meets their needs or preferences. Ensure that the exchange process is straightforward and that the customer is aware of any price differences or requirements for the exchange. Store credit. Provide customers with the option to receive store credit instead of a refund. Store credit allows customers to choose a different product at a later time, giving them the flexibility to explore alternative options within your range of offerings. Clearly communicate the value and validity period of the store credit to avoid any confusion. Assistance in finding a suitable alternative. If the returned item doesn't meet the customer's needs, offer personalized assistance in finding a suitable alternative. This can involve engaging in a conversation to understand their requirements, offering recommendations based on their preferences, or providing expert advice to help them make an informed decision. By going the extra mile to assist customers in finding a product that better suits their needs, you demonstrate your commitment to their satisfaction. Flexibility in returns and exchanges. Be flexible with your returns and exchange policies to accommodate customer needs. Consider extending return periods, allowing exchanges beyond the usual timeframe, or being open to exceptions for special circumstances. Flexibility in your policies shows that you prioritize customer satisfaction and are willing to work with them to find a solution that meets their needs. Seamless exchange process. Streamline the exchange process to make it as seamless as possible for customers. Provide clear instructions on how to initiate an exchange. Ensure that inventory availability is up to date and accurate, and communicate any additional steps or requirements for the exchange. Simplify paperwork or documentation if necessary to minimize customer effort. Offer comparable alternatives. If the exact product being returned is not available for exchange, offer comparable alternatives that align with the customer's preferences and requirements. This can involve suggesting similar products with similar features, styles, or price ranges. Providing alternatives ensures that customers have options and can find a product that meets their needs. Communicate return and exchange options. Clearly communicate the available return and exchange options to customers. Include this information on your website, in-store signage, and in your return policy. Ensure that customer service representatives are knowledgeable about the options and can effectively guide customers through the process. By offering exchanges and alternatives, you provide customers with options beyond a simple return, increasing the likelihood of customer satisfaction and future sales. Whether it's exchanging for a different product, providing store credit, or assisting in finding a suitable alternative, these techniques show that you are committed to helping customers find the right solution for their needs. Creating a seamless exchange process and communicating the available options effectively contribute to a positive customer experience and foster customer loyalty.